will recite to us. Don't you know that this chapter, I think, has 16 verses? Hala, kaya ninyo yan? Let's take it away. Give it up for Sister Nika, as she recites to us Psalms 91.
Psalms 91. Who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord my refuge, my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Surely He deliver me from the snare of the fowler and from the pestilence. He shall cover me with His feathers, and under His wings I keep thee with His Lord shall be my shield and buckler. You shall not be afraid of the day by night, nor the arrow flies by day, nor of the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor of the destruction that labours in morning. Thousand will fall at thy side, and a 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. Only your eyes shall look the word of the wicked, because you have made the Lord who is my refuge of Moses your habitation. No evil shall befall you, no shall any plagues come near you, because He gave His angel charge over you, to keep you in all your ways. They shall bear you up in their hands, lest your foot against a stone. You shall tread upon the lion and the cobra, the lion and the serpent. You should trample underfoot, because He has set His love upon me. Therefore I will rescue him, I keep him on high, because He hath known my name. He hath called upon me, and I will answer thee. I will be with him in trouble until ever, and all on him will long life I satisfy him, and show him my salvation.
I'd like to ask Nika. Nika, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
When you're 5 years old, how long did it take you to memorize? Gaano katagal mo memorize yung Psalm 91? Isang araw lang daw. Wow, very good. Kudos to the parents of this child, ah. You see, train up a child in the way he should go, so when he grows old, he will not depart from it. Alam mo ba, Nika? You made them like nag-drop ang kanilang jaw. Lahat po kayo, kung titingnan mo kayo, nakagalang kayo. Oh, you were mesmerized. Palakpakan mo natin si Nika. To God be the glory. God bless you, sweetheart. Okay. So, challenge na sa ito mga tigulang, ha? Psalms 91. Ayun ang tuntog Genesis 1:1.